Didn't expect to be doing this morning. Oh man, they're flying! Look at him go! He was going a blistering 3.5 miles per hour. If I end up breaking my neck again somehow.
Hello! We have a box that's the color of pickles.
You mean cucumbers, because pickles are imagination.
I can't do it, dude. I tried, but you got me there. I wasn't
Can you imagine
expecting you
if
to
Thor's
say that.
hammer was this big? That'd be so not intimidating.
We're here today for a very special video. We have...
Why don't they just call pickles cucumbers then?
Because it's a pickled cucumber. We're not doing this right now.
We have a pickle color green machine.
We have a pickled color electric green machine. So you may remember the green machine video we did a while back. Fetty, you hit your head, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
So now we have the electric version that goes
Not all pickles are green.
12 miles per hour, 24 volts of power, and it has a 30-minute ride time.
I can run faster than that.
Battery powered.
Hold up, we're not ready. Hold up.
It has child Uzi on the ground.
That kid has a helmet. I need it.
But his
Green.
green.
This is a comfortable helmet.
We sell those helmets at Braille Skateboarding.
I'm gonna give him my facial hair.
Door 182. It's like Blink 182 except with a door.
Yeah, let's open it.
That's how you open things.
Hey,
Good thing there's no ion batteries in there.
I think we got it.
Hey, look.
Oh,
Whoa, where is
It disintegrated.
look it got diagnosed.
Dude, this really is Thor's hammer.
Wow. We're just doing the intro over there, but the actual green machine has been over there the entire time, and we have 2 of them. Remember, we only have 30 minutes. Whoa! Hey, that worked a lot better.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh! These things are dangerous.
He's trying to kill me.
Hey, I'll race you. We gotta see who's faster.
Brother, I want to do a 360.
Oh! You good?
I'm good. That doesn't look too good though.
I'm coming!
Should we have a race?
I feel like we should have a course race. Because these things are hard to operate.
Oh! Oh no.
Let's add a turn into this race to make it more interesting. We'll start at that line, the normal line, around that car,
Okay.
and then around that car.
Okay.
Should race them on my bike. It's kind of unfair.
It's an electric green machine, Dan. What do you want them to do? All right, come on, to the starting line. Uzi, how you feeling, brother?
I'm feeling safe.
That's good. All right, let's get it.
Remember, put yours on low.
Okay.
Because that's the fastest setting.
Oh, it was on low.
Yours seemed pretty fast on low setting.
3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off.
What an intense race! What an intense race! Oh man, they're flying! Look at them go! Oh! What happened?
He tried to turn it closer than me, and I knew he was gonna slip out.
I was drafting him, so I didn't get as much wind resistance. And then around the last corner, he was slowing down, so I gassed it. Tried to do the slingshot maneuver from Talladega Nights, but then I turned just a little too sharp, and that little tiny error really costs you on these green machine races.
All right, I think we should do one more race. The starting line for race number 2 is right here. Whoa, I almost fell. If you look that way, there's Fetty's car. They're gonna start at this line, go over to Fetty's car, flip a U-turn, go around the other cars, flip another U-turn, go around the third car, and then straight shot race to the finish line. Are you guys ready? Nigel, call it. On go.
3, 2, 1, go! Later.
Oh, they going!
What happened?
Uh-oh.
No!
Uh-oh. Yeah, Fetty, take it home! Take it home, Fetty!
Here, he's cheating. EMP'd me. I went around the corner and I lost all power and I couldn't go anywhere, and he just looked at me like, I don't know, like he did it on purpose.
I was like in my mind, like I'm gonna have to plan a third race. Uzi's gonna win. I don't understand how you managed to mess up a lead that secure.
He EMP'd me. I lost all power for like 5 seconds.
Like, how do you manage to do that? Fetty, what'd you do?
He has a magnet on him or something, I don't know.
Let's go, now you have to race Dan. Oh man, straight race to the end? Yeah. Oh yeah, Carlos!
Straight. 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Fetty! When did Tom Cruise start racing?
That's exactly what he said.
Like Terminator.
Look at Uzi. Uzi's flying, dude.
I feel like I haven't hit max.
Just like Luigi from Mario Kart.
What?
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
I'm not moving, please pay me back.
If you look at the back of Uzi's, the wheels at the very edge aren't even touching the ground
Really?
anymore.
That went way better than the actual green machines though, for sure.
The very first rule before anything, before ages 8 and up, says keep away from fire. So I feel like these things are meant to be like thrashed, because first thing, like keep away from fire, like, and then it says ages 8 and up. The priorities are kind of weird.
Oh, this is not gonna end well. That actually went so well.
It's really impressive. I didn't think it was gonna work out that well.
Hey Carlos, give him a little speed boost. Yeah! Down it! Freaking back lip, dude! I think you got that, Fetty.
Oh, what happened? I feel something happen. What's he came off? Ow, this is uncomfortable.
Whoa!
Great Scott.
Ain't nothing a little wax can't fix.
So you broke it going down the 3.
Yeah, my seat broke off. I wanted to try this, but my seat's broken off, so he's got to send it for all green.
For the brothers. Oh, this is not gonna go well.
Was that good?
That's scary.
With that speed, you would have clipped like the 3rd stair.
Got the posture.
Oh, you gotta go faster than that. That was kind of clean. He was going a blistering 3.5 miles per hour.
Wow!
How did his seat not break off and mine broke off down the 3?
We need full speed, Dan!
It's hard to stay on.
Look at the controls. Sticks.
What are you thinking? It scares me when he gets this look on his face.
You got a full speed me, brother. I'm gonna land on this one. I'm gonna land
What is happening?
and try and put my wheel like here.
Help him!
I think I'm just gonna try it to flat.
It's a twisted pile of mangled metal. Oh, don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
Oh man.
Dude, don't do that.
Oh. That one right there. That's gonna get you.
I need to like land like this.
It's not gonna work like that.
Like this.
You're not gonna gap over these.
Is the green trike centipede.
Let's do it, brother.
If I end up breaking my neck again somehow on this.
You guys, before right now, hashtag notification squad, leave your prediction. That went so well, dude.
If I was straight, like,
Are you gonna try again?
I'm gonna try again.
I don't know how his is fine after all this and mine just killed itself on the 3-stair. Didn't expect to be doing this morning.
That totally counts. That counts.
It counts. Look at we're locked. Landed it.
Can we just do your farthest yeet without a trike there?
I broke the seat finally. It slapped my butt so hard. I done broke the sprocket, brother.
We figured out this is one of the first things to go is the seat.
Should I try to grind it now? Put the rail there, brother.
Godspeed, brother.
I have a seat. It's just not connected.
I don't remember these being able to grind.
Yeah, we haven't tested it yet.
We need a seat. Go duct tape, brother. How is this gonna work, brother? Trying to fix it to my best abilities.
I don't know if that's gonna hold it.
Probably not. Looking good though. Scratch that idea.
Ingenious.
It's only good for one cheek though.
It's not the best, but it works. We're ready. Where's my pusher? All right, are you ready?
I'm just gonna push you fast.
My MacGyver broke. Let's try it again, bro. Ow! I landed on this thing. It'll be titled not what is an electric green machine, but what was an electric green machine. I have an idea. Hand me the seat, please.
Definitely gonna need a seat padding after that.
This is what I come back to.
Yeah, he just full sent with.
Oh, we're good. Golden.
Does it even go anymore?
Yeah.
That thing is struggling.
All right, Dan. Give me that boost.
Come on, man. This gives me vibes of the first trike video, doesn't it?
Broke my ankle! Just kidding.
If there were a shorter rail, I think it'd be possible. But unless you push them like 3 times as fast, I don't think you're gonna be able to make it that far.
I just got off the earpiece with Chief. He called, he said, hey, this ain't it. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, the rails. And I was like, yeah, what about him? He's like, it ain't it, Chief. And I'm like, I guess I got promoted. I'm Chief too, also. I'm co-chief. That is a no-go, brother.
What in the world?
This isn't moving.
Full sand.
You never know if something's gonna work unless you try it.
You got it, Fetty! Sorry, I'm not screaming. You got it, Fetty! That freaking counts. That freaking counts. Oh, how do you think of these, Fetty?
The only time I'd ride this is for the video.
They were better than I thought, but my seat was not as good as I expected.
The 12-year-old inside me was extremely jealous I didn't get to ride one of these in the video. But all of the ages of you guys should check out the videos. To my left, to your right. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. Not green machine needs, only skateboarding needs.
Collective Nolan!
Ow!